Hello there. I'm sorry it's been such a long time since I've actually been with y'all. It's just been crazy because I'm actually working on a project that unfortunately I could not figure out a way to assign to y'all at home. But now we are going to start working on potential and kinetic energy. So, with that said, first things first, we need to know what's energy. Energy is the ability to cause change. Everything around you has energy, but you only notice it when a change takes place. Anytime a change occurs, energy is transferred from one object to another. So, say you're sitting there and you get up. It takes energy to get up. Now, while you're sitting there, you still have energy. So, let's go on and discuss the two types of mechanical energy as we're talking about right now, which are okay. So this just gives the example of a bowling ball that rolls and knocks over pins. Uh, of course, the bowling ball has the energy; it transfers it to the pins, therefore knocking them down. Because the ball is moving, this is the first form of our energy, which is called kinetic energy, which is the energy of movement. Yes, kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to its motion. So, when an object is moving, it has kinetic energy. And it's dependent on these items. All right. So first of all, energy of motion increases the faster you go, and also energy increases if your mass also increases. All right. So that is kinetic energy. Here's the formula which we'll be using soon with the next assignment. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 times the mass of the object times its velocity squared. The mass is going to be in kilograms, not kilometers. I'm sorry. The velocity is going to be in meters per second, and energy is measured in joules. So that brings us to potential energy. It's the energy of position because the object has the potential to cause change. All right. Potential energy is stored. It's just sitting there, just like you're sitting in the chair, and then you could fall out, which means you fall out or fall off. I'm sorry. You have the potential to fall off, but you're sitting there. If you fall, then it becomes kinetic energy. Potential energy is greater if the position of object is higher. So the higher you go, the more potential energy you have. And last, potential energy also increases as the mass of an object increases. So the more mass, the more energy you are likely to have. And finally, the formula for potential energy is potential energy equals mass times gravity times height. Where mass again is in kilograms, gravity for us is going to be measured as 10 meters per second per second. So anytime you see gravity, you slap a 10 in there, and our height is going to be in meters. So that is the formula for potential